Hi everyone, welcome back to Accountant's Desk. Today we will understand the types of accounting. In accounting, every transaction affects two accounts. One is debited and the other is credited. But before that, you must know which type of account you are dealing with: personal account, real account, or nominal account. Let's make it super easy to understand. Three types of accounts, that is personal account, real account, and nominal account. Personal account. Personal account relates to persons or entities. For example, Ram, Sita, ABC Limited, capital account, bank account. The rule for personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Personal accounts are those that relates to individuals, firms, or organization. When a person receives something, we debit their account. When a person gives something, we credit their account. Example, you buy goods from Ram on credit. Ram gave goods, so Ram's account is credited. Example, purchase goods from Ram, rupees 10,000. Here the two accounts affected are purchase account and Ram account. Purchase account. Purchase account is nominal account because it is expenses and debit all expenses. And Ram account. Ram account is personal account. Ram is the giver, so credit the giver. So the journal entry is purchase account debit 10,000 to Ram account 10,000 rupees. Real account. Real account relates to assets and properties. Example, furniture, cash, building, machinery. The rule for real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Real account deals with tangible and intangible assets. Whenever an asset comes into the business, we debit it. When it goes out, we credit it. Example, you buy furniture on cash. Furniture comes in and cash goes out. For example, bought furniture, rupees 5,000 rupees on cash. Here the two accounts affected are furniture account and cash account. Furniture is real account and furniture comes in. So debit what comes in. And cash account. Cash account is also real account and cash goes out of the business. So credit what goes out. So the journal entry is furniture account 5,000 rupees to cash account 5,000 rupees. Nominal account. Nominal account relates to expenses, losses, incomes, and gains. Example, salary, rent, commission, discount, interest. And the rule for nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Nominal accounts relates to incomes, expenses, gains and losses. When the business spends or loses money, we debit it. When the business earns or gains money, we credit it. Example, salary paid rupees 10,000 rupees. Salary, it is expense, so we debit it. And cash is credited. Example, paid salary rupees 10,000 rupees. Here the two accounts affected are salary account and cash account. Salary account is nominal account and salary is expenses, so debit all expenses. And cash account is real account and cash goes out of the business, so credit what goes out and cash is credited. So the journal entry is salary account 10,000 rupees to cash account 10,000 rupees. Remember, personal accounts relates to individuals, firms, or organization. Real account relates to assets and properties. And nominal account relates to expenses, losses, incomes, and gains. Once you master this, accounting becomes super easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more accounting concepts. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.